Are you a woman looking to become financially independent? Whether you are a stay-home mom, a student, or just tired of 8 to 5 job, then these are 6 small business ideas that will help you to start earning from home with little or no capital. Read and unlock your potential today. Watch till the end. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's dive in. The first business idea is a business dealing with home-based catering. I know most of the women are perfect when it comes to cooking. They love cooking. You can start this one as a business. What can you do? For example, you can start by preparing the birthday cakes, the wedding cakes, and you start selling them. You can be having also prepare the meal prep and be delivering to people in the offices. This will help you to put money into your pocket as a lady or as a woman. The second business idea is something to deal with online boutique. This whereby you can sell new clothes or the second hand one. You can sell them on the Instagram, on your WhatsApp status. You can even also open a group. I know of a lady who is doing quite well in this business. But he has also included me as in group. So if you may need connection, you can take my number in the description and you can talk the business way. Use the trading fashion. Don't go to get those clothes which are outdated. Remember that customers always like going with the trends. So look for something which you know it is trading in the market and then bring it a presentable thing to the customer, and I promise you, you will get money. The third business is business today with hair and beauty services. I know ladies and women, they like looking smart, and I really like that, and I really support that. Our moms and our sisters, well done. So you can venture into this business. Offer salon services from home, or you can be also a mobile salonist. It's not a must you go and rent a house and right there the salon may be your name of the business. No, brand yourself, maybe online. Be able to showcase what you can offer to the people so that remember that the money you get is a reward of the value you offer. So don't expect you are doing things, you are very smart in air, but you have not showcased. So take turn on a camera, show people what you are best in, and they tell you things are going to work for you. You can either start by doing the braiding, the makeups, the nail art, all these things. Remember that they always charge very high and there's no negotiable. It's not like you are going to buy for something you have to negotiate. No, you set your price and don't set a high price to chase your customers away. So you be sometimes understanding. This is a very good area you can venture into. And don't go to start where you know there are many, there are a lot, they have accumulated. No. Look for a suitable location. The fourth business is business to deal with freelancing. The Gen Zs are some part of millennials. Here's your business. You can offer the writing, or you can be also a designer. You can be a social media manager. All these business, you can work all of them from home. What you only need is a smartphone like this mine and a good network connection, and you are good to get client globally, not from Kenya, not from Africa, not from America, globally. As far as you are able to solve someone's problem, then you are on the good track to go. The fifth business is, I know our moms loves baby a lot. This is a business to deal with home day care. For those who have kids, you can offer babysitting services to the working parent. There are those parents who have to go from 8 to 9 job, and their children might be disturbing. Maybe you can look for a suitable place, open a daycare, be offering these services. You can be charging, for example, let's say 200 per day, 100. And imagine that being left, for example, with 10 kids. That's a good amount of money. Hmm? No tax. Hmm? You will not have to sleep when you're hungry. This is a good idea. But if you are that kind of a lady who get angry because a child is crying, this is not advisable to you. So you must be able to love other people's children. Don't go to harm them. And the last business is a business to deal with selling home-made product. Some, for example, like there are those who do the necklaces, the rings, for example, all these arts, the dockers, the soaps, you can sell them. Turn your hobbies into money. Turn your hobbies into money. You can sell them either on social media, on WhatsApp, on TikTok. I've seen many people trading. They are even trading currently on TikTok or in the Instagram. Showcase. This is how you can do. What is the benefit? Show people the value. You can become more beauty. Be able to convince your client. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscription button for more cool videos like this. This is Alex. May I know which business have you ventured into? Drop it in the comment section. Let's meet in the next time. Bye bye.